Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hello everybody, welcome to another cold morning at Woody's Works. This has failed its MOT. Josh, I got the power to push there. I'm doing a video, the phone rings, it's obvious. I'm back. The phone will probably ring again in 2 seconds. Anyway, I'm going to get this up in the air and I'll show you it's failed. Oh, pull it back. There you go, now forward. Right. This is going to sort of be lined up with a wing mirror. So we'll get it up in the air.
Is it long enough?
It's close enough. Stop. There. Okay, put it down there. I'm wondering if it's too close. It's too close. That bit's going to hit there, look. Hold on. No, it'll hit the chassis way before it's there. I'll be alright. Pluggers. So, what has it failed on? Let's have a look. There it is. So, brake pipe is leaking. Registration plate light inoperative. We've got a fuel pipe leak, diesel spiller rail, 2 track rod ends, a bit of rust on the outrigger, brake pads contaminated, and then minor defects, steering box leak, which is standard. So, let's get up in the air, Josh. Go, go, go. Stop. Stop. Back down. The car will have to go forward a little bit so it's sitting on the right bit of the chassis. Another try. Yeah, that's alright. Whoa! Stop. It's okay. It just slipped on somehow, I don't know what. But it seems to be alright. So anyway, I think the first thing to look at is going to be, let's have a look, the brake pipe. I'm going to have to get the track rod ends off, show this, track rod ends off, and get a new piece for the brake pipe, because I think I've done something to that when we was doing the front bearings, because it's on a solid bit. Pipe. So we'll do that. I need to look at this this rust as well. Continue on up a little bit, Josh. Been on 10 away, headlight. So look for this corrosion. Oh, there. You can see. Oh, he has poked many holes in that. Right there. Can you see that? There you go. There it is. Look. That is not great. I was expecting a little hole. Not complete annihilation. Got happy with this screwdriver. There it is.
Oh.
And there, where he's poked all the holes in it. So that's going to have to be cut out. That's a bit more work than I was expecting. Sorry. So let's get this front wheel off, Josh, and have a look at these track rod ends.
Put away all that. Do you reckon that battery gun will do it?
It might do. It might do. We have got another vehicle here to go and get the parts we need. So let's just get them all off anyway, and then we'll have to phone International Rescue Peter Ward. And so it's that one there. Look, he's marked them for me. Nice. And yeah, that one is marked there.
What size do you wheel nuts up and off?
And that there. I can't remember. 27s I'm there somewhere. I don't know if it's 27s. I don't know. We're going to get this wheel off anyway. Once this wheel's off, we shall get on with the track rod ends and sort out the brake out as well. I've just bled the damn brakes and put a new master cylinder on there, and now I've got to do more on the brakes. It's only a few little bits though. Luckily it hasn't failed massively, and it is a 1990, so it's over 30 years old now. But we'll get it back on the road and get us back on the road, because obviously this is my actual car. So, see you in a sec. All the rot's been cut out of there that I showed you earlier, and the plate has been made by Peter the plate maker.
Been upgraded from a beat the bead squeezer.
So that'll go in there like that, and then that'll be seam welded all around the edge. And
Eventually.
then we've got one to go under there. We've cut all that rot out, and that'll go in the same. And then we've got cut that out at the back. That was just a quick cut of round the rot where it is, and then we're going to cut it out square and make one for that rear one as well. So there's only that to do, and then we've got to find out where this diesel leak's coming from, and then it'll be ready for its MOT, because the one we found one at the rear which has been done but wasn't on the MOT, but we found it while we were having a butcher's about. And Dad's done that one as well down there. Let me put the light on. There, look. So that's been welded in flat and then ground off. So the bottom one's been done. The one's been done from the inside in there, and then we've just got this one done. And then we'll grind all this back to make it look tidier, paint it up, and that's that welding done on that outrigger. The welding on the other side, we have noticed a little diddly hole there, so we're gonna have to get the Dremel in there, clean that up, and see if we can fill that in, because it don't go much bigger than that, does he?
Depends on your pocket feet.
Depends how much you want to poke it, but hopefully it don't go much further than that. What's on the end of here? Oh, hang on.
Snatchy.
Oh look! Looks like it's meant to be there now. It's a perfect circle. It's a drainage hole, that is.
It is.
Drainage hole. I've got my thing stuck. We'll have to leave that in for the MOT now. That's a perfect drain. There we go. Perfect drainage hole, that is. So we'll paint round that, and he'll love it. Turns out, yeah, a drainage hole, because right one on this side.
There's one there, look.
There's bottom drainage holes, but nothing there. So we're going to have to probably blob some weld around that. I mean, there's holes everywhere, look at them. There's 4 holes here. If you had the steady box on this side, they do nothing about them, look. Yeah. As long as you stay the holiest of holies, it's fine. Here we go.
Tacky.
Making all the right noises. Is your helmet still dark?
Yeah. Darkish.
Oh, straight through the hole.
Well, that went through the...
Went through the gap.
Through the plate, that did.
Did it?
Yeah. I'm going to go through.
You going with the helmet on? God. Oh God. I had a spark right on top of my head. We shall continue around until it's finished. What? Hang on. My switch is switched off. Tell me when.
Hello. Epic.
Gonna go up a little bit and put it on the thing. So just a grind down, and then that's sorted. All the welding's done and dusted, and it's painted. So wheels back on.